In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main homepage for the account or location where you want to set up the integration. Starting from the homepage is helpful because it gives you a clear path into the settings area, which is where all your connected apps and external tools are managed. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where Gohighlevel keeps most of its main navigation options. So if you ever need to configure account features, this is usually the first place to look. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage the more advanced options for your account, including integrations, business details, and other system configurations. If your screen looks slightly different, just keep an eye out for the settings option in that left navigation panel. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and look for integrations. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where Gohighlevel allows you to connect with third-party platforms, and it's the place you'll use anytime you want to link outside tools to your account for smoother workflows and better data syncing. Once you're inside the integrations section, look for Hubspot in the list of available integrations. Depending on your screen size or how many integrations are visible, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct integration so you're connecting the right platform. When you find Hubspot, click on Connect. This starts the authorization process between Gohighlevel and Hubspot. In most cases, this opens a new prompt or sign-in window that allows you to confirm the connection securely. Next, connect your Hubspot account by following the on-screen instructions. You'll typically be asked to sign in to Hubspot if you're not already logged in, and then approve the permissions needed for the connection. Those permissions are what allow the two platforms to communicate properly, so review them carefully and continue. Once the connection is completed, your Hubspot account should now be linked to Gohighlevel. If you want to make sure everything worked, it's a good idea to stay on the integrations page for a moment and check for a connected status or confirmation message. And that's it. You've successfully connected Hubspot in Gohighlevel.